Good afternoon to you all. My name is Lynn and I'm the in-flight lead on this flight. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. If you'd like to find out more about what we offer with American Express, please visit ba.com.amex. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of any smoking device is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This does include our toilets, which are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. We are pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all our Executive Club members to enjoy on today's flight. To connect to BA Wi-Fi or join our Executive Club, visit shop.ba.com where you can access the free messaging and discover more offers available. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We ask that all phones be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are also not permitted at any time during the flight. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we'll be offering you your choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveller, we'll be serving pre-purchased items from our High Life Cafe, and then to follow we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our High Life Cafe service. If you would like to purchase from a selection of High Life Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com. There you will discover the items we have for sale on today's flight, and there is also a menu card in your seat pocket. So now we invite you to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. But in the 2 hours 10 minutes remaining of this flight, if there's anything that myself or the team can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do